YouTubers. Sorry if I sound a little bad. I'm kind of starting to lose my voice. So, yeah, yesterday it was around 103 degrees, and today it's like probably around 100. And I heard that there's gonna be like a shower on Saturday, so I can't wait. I mean, all this blistering heat. Oh my god. Anyway, I better get going. It's my turn to take care of dinner this time. We're gonna have burgers. Alright, bye.